say it was slightly high, so 3,000 feet.
Approaching to
Sion in Switzerland.
Sion in Switzerland. Okay,
Yeah.
we'll put this on the computer outside.
What, the screen?
Yeah, so you've got to get it right, Dennis.
Yeah.
Right, 11 miles, 6. Right, okay.
It's from
Western distance, so yeah. Nice. This is looking good. Nice rate of descent now.
It's very
We've
smooth.
caught up with the. So we're doing a VOR DME approach into Sion. We want 6,100 feet at 11D, which is pretty much going to be dead on.
Very slow. Is that
Yeah, because we're coming down at a 6-degree angle.
Yeah,
It has to be fully configured for landing before you start the descent, pretty much. Okay, that's good. So
see the runway now.
150, so 15. That's rate of descent perfect for our ground speed. So we're using our ground speed to calculate our rate of descent of 50 feet a minute.
So clever, really. I can't remember.
So our next point is DME 7, where we need to be visual. DME 8 actually, because we're using the SIO, say 8D. We'll be visual. We'll keep the descent going. And we are visual. So whenever you're ready, Dennis, if you want to...
Yeah.
This is high definition camera. This is.
We'll keep it going on now, just for another...
Yeah. All for an easy life.
Yeah.
Go on, let's have some fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. I'm going to keep the speed control on. Let's keep a similar sort of rate of descent going.
2,500.
Oops.
So it goes kind of left to right to a degree. So. And the airfield elevation is 1581. So at the moment we are 2,300 feet. And you've got 7 miles to go.
Cruise.
They must give me the code of this
Yeah, we're at 5
airport.
miles now. Yeah.
This is good for the customers coming in long out. So.
Okay, keep that descent going. Very nice. 4 miles. Altitude is good. Maybe a little bit high, so a bit more descent.
rate. 500.
Yeah, pull back a bit.
400.
Up.
Don't sink. Don't sink.
300. Approaching minimums. Minimum. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10,
Perfect, Dennis. Absolutely.
10.
Perfect.
Lovely.
That's a good one, wasn't it, to come in?
Absolutely
Yeah, it certainly
fantastic.
is.
What's the? You'd have to give me the code for this.